number 7 here, Santa Ana Port, Cavite. And the races on Dazzling Cat from the outside strike force rushing up Stratosphere in the middle portion. Rebound then comes Incorruptible. Cut made on the inside. Gelai's Charm. Alam mo na yan. And Jokes Only. Dazzling Cat by Sam two lines followed by Rebound. Stratosphere racing from the outside in between runners. Incorruptible. Cut May as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Dazzling Cat by a length and a half followed by Rebound. Stratosphere racing from the outside. Incorruptible. Got May is racing in fifth by Darrell rushing up 6 Jokes Only. And Strike Force running in 7th position. Alam mo na yan. Second last and Gelai's Charms now running at the tail of the field passing the half-mile post. Stratosphere Cut May down on the inside and on the outside rushing up Jokes Only. Incorruptible racing in fourth running in fifth. Dazzling Cat Strike Force also rushing up. Rounding the far turn, Cut May, this time by some 3 lengths. Stratosphere's Incorruptible down on inside and Strike Force as they race the final corner. Cut May, the favorite. Number 2 by some 4 lengths and running in second. Incorruptible. Strike Force down on the inside. Alam mo na yan. And nearing the finish line, that's third. Cut May racing away now by some 8 lengths. And finally, the favorite, number 2, Cut May. Second, Incorruptible. Strike Force. Alam mo na yan. Stratosphere, Dazzling Cat, Jokes Only, Rebound, Dorsosphere, Gelai's Charm,